Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and today we would like to present about our study case on making the CV and the application return. First of all, we would like to introduce our group member. Our group consists of Vicky Akbar, Nabila Aryanti, Novel Nafidin, and myself Raditya Iqbal. First of all, we would like to present about the study case. Here is the study case. The study case is about Eren Sam Brauss. Eren Sam Brauss worked as an accountant. He graduates from Sasageyo University in 2018. He has been working for 3 years in MAPPA Studio Japan and owns certificate in accounting and finance from BBA Firm. He is also the treasurer of Indonesian Accounting Organization since February 2019. He wants to get another job in accounting on other companies. He can be contacted through erenbrauss@gmail.com and his phone number. Second part is the curriculum vitae. Here is the curriculum vitae of Eren Sam Brauss. First of all is the header. On the left is written the name of the applicant. In this case is Eren Sam Brauss and their job, which is an accountant. And then on top right is his contact information. Continuing on the body of the CV, the first part is experience, which based on the case are as a staff accountant of MAPPA Studio Japan and as a treasurer of Indonesian Accounting Organization. The next part of the body is education, which based on the case only consists of a bachelor degree of accountancy from Sasageyo University in 2018. The certificates will be next, which based on the case only have one, which is the accounting and finance from BBA Firm. But considering his background, we decided to add TOEIC and MOS or Microsoft Office Specialist Master from Microsoft. The next part is his skills, which based on the case doesn't explain much which skill he will have. But considering his past job and the certificates that he have, we decided to give him 5 skills, which is Microsoft Excel, Xero, Sage, CRM systems, and QuickBooks. Then, the final part of the CV is the language that Eren could speak. In this case, we put him as an Indonesian, so he is a native of Indonesia, while fluent in both Japanese and English, as he will know both from his past experience working at MAPPA. Here is the job vacancy, which will be presented by Vicky Akbar.
And this is about job vacancy. The job vacancy is from Zenius Education, and this company need position in finance and accounting specialist. And the job description is like this: ensuring financial results are in accordance with local statutory requirement and accounting principle, accountable for monthly closing activity, and review closing financial statement, work closely with stakeholders to complete the monthly consolidated accountant reporting package for the group, ensuring completeness and accuracy of documentation required for audit, being the key of point for external parties such as external auditor, tax consultant, accounting service, perform account payables, and perform taxation to control, planning, reporting, and fulfillment of tax obligation. And this job vacancy have minimum qualification. First is have bachelor degree in economic and must be able to communicate in English and have audit experience and must be proficient in Excel or Google Sheet and have had experience in accounting software system and experience handling escrow payment account payment gateway is an advantage. And the last is can process flow oriented.
And the last is application letter. When we want to apply the job, we have to create application letter. In this assignment, we create a traditional application letter. And this is the application letter. And in this application letter, there are some part like contact information, heading, salutation, body, and closing. In contact information, there is name of sender, which is Eren Sam Brauss, and then the contact information like phone phone number, email, and address. And then there is receiver, which is PT Zona Edukasi Nusantara, and its address. And I will zoom for the content. I'm sorry. There are salutation for receiver too, like dear HR manager. And the next one is opening paragraph. In the opening paragraph, we have to explain where we find the job vacancy, and we have to explain that we interest with that position. Like in this application letter, Eren found on Caliber for the finance and accountant specialist, and then Eren interest to apply this job. And then for the second paragraph, we have to explain why we fit with this job. We can explain our previous experiment. In the second paragraph, Eren explained that Eren has worked as staff accountant for 3 years at MAPPA Studio Japan, and Eren explained the job desk. And then Eren have experiment in Indonesian Accounting Organization too since February 2019. For the third paragraph, is explained with novel. Hello, novel.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Thank you, Nabila. After the second paragraph that explain his past career and experience comes the third paragraph. The third paragraph contains a few statements why is Eren Sam Brauss is qualified for the job. As we have seen before, the job itself have a criteria about the ideal qualifications. So to validate that he is qualified and suitable for this job, finance and accounting job, we write that he has worked with skilled accountant, have high attention to detail, fitting educational background, which is accounting, and then fluent with finance accounting tool, and also certification about accounting tool, which is, I think it's required in this finance and accounting job. So in this paragraph, this third paragraph make Eren Sam Brauss is suitable and qualified person to fill in this position. And then there's a fourth paragraph is closing, just closing that contains his CV and contact for further question or additional information. And he wishes that his CV are reviewed and be accepted in this position in their company. And then yours faithfully, Eren Sam Brauss. And that's the closing. I think that's the application letter for our group. That's it. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.